In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate a free SSL certificate on your WordPress website step by step, even if you're a beginner. Having SSL on your site is extremely important because it keeps your website secure, protects your visitors' data, and helps with SEO, since Google prefers secure websites. If you see that little padlock icon next to your website URL, that means SSL is active. If you don't have it yet, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable it for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your hosting or website dashboard. In this example, we're working inside a WordPress website hosted on Pantheon, but the steps inside WordPress will be very similar for most setups. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress admin area. This is usually done by going to yoursite.com/wp-admin. From the WordPress dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're inside the correct website by clicking on My Home or Dashboard so you can see your site details. Next, we're going to install a plugin that makes enabling SSL incredibly simple. On the left-hand menu inside WordPress, click on Plugins and then click on Add New Plugin. This will take you to the WordPress plugin marketplace. In the search bar on the top right, type in Really Simple SSL. You should see a plugin called Really Simple Security, Simple and Performance Security, which was formerly known as Really Simple SSL. This is a very popular and trusted plugin used by millions of WordPress websites. Once you find the plugin, click on the Install Now button. WordPress will take a few seconds to download and install the plugin on your website. When the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin. After activating the plugin, you'll be redirected to the SSL or security dashboard. From here, the plugin will automatically detect if an SSL certificate is available for your website. In most cases, modern hosting providers already include a free SSL certificate. All you need to do now is click on the Activate SSL button. The plugin will handle the configuration for you, including updating your site URLs from HTTP to HTTPS and fixing common mixed content issues. Once SSL is activated, your website should now be fully secure. You can confirm this by opening your website in a new browser tab and checking for the padlock icon next to your domain name. That's it. You've successfully learned how to activate a free SSL certificate on your WordPress website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.